This is Angelique and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell beside it to get notified every time I post a new video for you guys. This is the first time that I am gonna be doing this, so I'm very excited about it. If you guys are following me on Instagram, then you already know that I love sneakers so much, and this year has been amazing because I've had a lot of sneaker pickups for the first half of the year. Also, I have other bits and pieces that I really wanted to show you guys. So this video is going to be my mid-year sneaker pickups plus fashion haul, I guess. So if you want to know the things that I got, then please keep on watching. I got super inspired by Mr. Carlo Ople. I have been binge watching his videos because I check on him if meron siyang review about the sneaker that I really wanted to pick up. So if he does, I really watch them. Also, disclaimer, I hope that you guys know that this is in no way, shape, or form me bragging about the things that I got. I just really wanted to share them out with you guys because I really love sneakers so much and I love fashion so much. So I hope this could be an inspo for you if you're looking out for a pair or if you really wanted to cop a pair. So anyway, madami ko na namang sinasabi. Let's start. I wanted to start with these two. This is actually some phone cases, very cute. This one says DHL. This one also is DHL. These two cases are from Sunday's Best. Shop Sunday's Best on Instagram. Thank you so much for sending these over. Really love them. The only pieces of clothing that I got. So the first item is this white classic Adidas tank top. This one is in the size European 34, UK 8. I don't know how new is, but there. This one, very classic lang. And then I decided to pair it with these biker shorts. I think these are compression shorts. These are actually for male, but I got them kasi medyo mahaba yung pagiging biker shorts niya. I got this in a size extra small, so I thought these two would be a cute partner since super uso yung biker shorts, and you guys know how much I love black and white. And the last item, the Adidas X Fiorucci t-shirt crop top. This one is in the size small. This one very cute. Ito na. Let's proceed with the shoes. So, all of these, hindi ko to binili sa isang bilihan lang, okay? Okay. Hindi lang siya isang bilihan. And some of these, I was very fortunate enough to receive because I got to work with the brand. So, these are an accumulation of 5 months. So, from January to May. So, that's why I called it mid-year. This one, oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god. These are like fully bejeweled stiletto heel. I just had to get them because paulit-ulit lang yung heels na sinusuot ko every time I have a hosting gig. So I thought I'd amp it up. And since I have a lot of sneakers, so I thought I'd just get this very classic pair of heels. Thank you so much to Steve Madden for letting me pick this one up. Ayun lang yung heels. So, punta na tayo sa sneakers. Ito na talaga, guys. Ito na talaga. Oh my goodness. Where is it? It's not here. I need to get up in this gig. I'm back, la. Anyway, this is the first pair that I want to show you. This one is from Kids X Sunny Life. I'm not sure if you're going to classify them as sneakers, but this is what it looks like. Very tropical. Meron siyang, I don't know which kind of birds, but there. Espadrille. I wanted to pick this one up para maiba naman from my usual white sneaker rotation. I actually picked up another sneaker from them, pero medyo gamit na siya, so ayoko na siya ipakita sa inyo. But it's the tie break, yung merong Velcro na strap. Yung detanggal lang. So there. Next one, I got this one. This is a Skechers T-Lights 3.0. I got this when I hosted for their event. This is what it looks like. It's just a white, black, and red pair of sneakers. I had to pick this one up because I love my white sneakers. I really liked the accents that it had. What I like about this is it's super comfy kasi ito yung merong Skechers air-cooled memory foam. As in, I was wearing this the whole night kasi di talaga ako nangawit. Next up, Adidas sneakers. Let's start with these two. I got to work with them for the Sleek campaign. They provided us with the whole line. They gave us the full outfit, yung tutu skirts, yung tops, yung biker short. So, these are the two pairs of shoes. Actually, maraming kasama dun sa line, but they just gave us 2 pairs of shoes. The first one is this one, the Adidas Sleek in the pink and red colorway. I really love this colorway. Favorite ko to. Isa to sa mga favorites ko. They also have the white one with a neon green sole. I really like that one as well. But this one, it's super nice. It's a nice change from all the white sneakers that I have been buying. The other colorway, diba sabi ko sa inyo, merong white with the neon green sole. This one, I got the white with the light blue sole. This one is pretty dirty because ever since I got it, lagi ko na siya sinusuot. So, medyo madumi yung sneakers ko. But when it comes to sneakers, my mantra is I buy sneakers to use them in as much as I can. So, for me, pag medyo nadumihan na siya, hindi naman yung super dugyot pero pag nadumihan na siya, may konting character to it. Like, diba yung Gucci, they released a sneaker or some of their classic silhouettes. Tapos, parang may dumi-dumi siya, diba? Told you, may pagka-gritty or there's this character or angst to the shoe. This is the pair that I have been really abusing. So I got to work with Adidas again for another launching. This time, it's for their Adidas Night Jogger. What I like about this is the reflective factor that it has. Aside from being comfy, diba, we're all about that comfy life. It's super stylish as well. Ito, yung mga neon green na nakikita nyo, they're very reflective. So, pag tinapatan nyo siya ng ilaw in a dark room or with flash, it's gonna light up. The last pair of Adidas that I'll be sharing with you guys, I actually haven't used it yet. This one is the Adidas LX Con. I'm a big fan of white pairs of sneakers, and I don't have any pair that looks like this, so I had to pick this one up. So hindi ko pa siya nagamit. So let's proceed now with Nike. I have 4 Nike pairs that I will be showing you guys. This is very much abused. This one is my Nike F2 Key Techno. I got it in this, I guess this is their classic color. I really wanted the pop of orange and blue in this one. Ngayon, ang dami ng colorways na lumabas. I have been using this and abusing this so much, but it still looks pretty spanking new. So there, this is the Nike F2 Key Techno, one of my favorites. This is the Nike Air Force 107 PRM Just Do It Capsule Edition. I love Air Force Ones. I have 4 pairs of Air Force Ones. I have the classic low and then the mid ones, all in pure white. This one is a nice pop of color to my Air Force One collection. It's this super vibrant orange, like, guys, super bright orange. What I like about this one, aside from the color, is it has so much character to it. Yung laces niya has a lot of Just Do It branding on it. We have several patches of Nike. We have a swoosh here. I love the patch na Just Do It sa likod. Tapos meron pang embroidery na Just Do It. On the other end, you still have that very holographic Just Do It na swoosh with another Just Do It print over here. Tapos, alam mo yung off-white, diba? Super popular nila with yung parang tag. So, they have this tag also, the Just Do It tag. So, I don't remove it. Tapos sa tongue niya, meron pa siyang Just Do It as well. Isang shoe, iba rin yung patches that it has. So, this one has so much character to it, and I really am a fan of eclectic pairs of shoes recently. So, this one, iba-iba yung patches niya, yung designs niya. So I really fell in love with this one. From one Air Force One to another, an all black with white accents of Nike Air Force One Low. It reminded me so much of Off-White. Diba they have Nike collab, tapos they're very big on branding with words, with the logos, and it reminded me of just that. Hindi ako big on black pairs but to add to my collection and to add to my rotation of Air Force Ones, I had to get this one. Oh my god. Medyo kinakabahan ako na excited ipakita sa inyo yung last two sneakers. This one is the Air Max 2 Light Atmos. Nakita niyo yung mga first pairs of shoes na pinakita ko sa inyo. All very graphic, may mga branding, may prints on it, colors. This one is the amalgamation of everything I just showed you. This is what the pair looks like. Boom! Wow, nahawa na ako kay Sir Carlo Opletudse po. But this one, super nice. But what really sold me on this is the patches that it had. Looking at it, no two patches are the same for this shoe. Parang ito yung statement sa outfit ko. So this one has this parang bright neon pink salmon-y color ng laces, but it also comes with other two pairs of laces. They have this neon green one and this purple one, all of which matches the colors of the patches or the design. So pretty! Oh my god, this one has got to be the most precious pair in my sneaker collection. This is actually a birthday gift to myself, very advanced. My birthday is on August. So while it was on sale, I had to get it, or like kung meron pa akong discount, I had to snag it na kasi baka mamaya sa birthday ko hindi umabot, walang discount. Kaya see it. This is the pair that I got. I got an off-white pair. Ayoko dikitan kasi may makeup yung mukha ko, but oh my god, I'm so happy about it. This one is the Off-White Off-Grid sneakers. We know Off-White always collabs with Nike, but I just couldn't bring myself to buy a pair from the collab, especially if you compare the retail price to the resale value or the resale price of it. Yung resale prices niya parang lumalapit na rin sa Off-White na sneaker in itself. And I have so much Nike pairs of sneakers, so I thought I'd indulge in getting this off-white one. So let's open this baby up. So when you open it, this one is the Farfetch receipt. You have this envelope, I guess, of the details about the shoe. Again, off-court sneaker in white. My size, since this one is a luxury pair, so I had to be very careful about the size. I watched a lot of reviews about it, so I decided to go half a size up from my usual pair of sneakers. I am usually a US size 7 for men's, so I decided to go a 7.5. This one, sis. Anyway, so this one, this is the off-white plastic bag. Ayan, plastic bag lang siya. Pretty sure I won't be using this, but this is a nice, touch to it. This is what the shoe looks like. Oh my god. This is my very first off-white pair. Oh my god. I can't believe it. I was debating if I should get a bag or a sneaker, but I had to get a pair of sneaker na lang because I really love sneakers. This just spoke to me on a whole nother level. It's white, so you can pair it with a lot of outfits. You know I love my white sneakers, so I had to invest in a white pair of sneakers, a high-cut one. What drew me to this one, aside from the zip tie, of course, I really wanted a classic zip tie, is this one, the details, the orange flaps to it. So it has the off-white branding to it, pero pwede mo siyang tanggalin. Like, ayun, meron din siyang sa tongue ng shoe. May off-white din naman. But I guess this one adds so much character to the shoes. Again, meron lang ng sample na nakalagay. Tapos, may iba-ibang variations to. But I chose this one, yung may blue stitching. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I chose the one with the blue stitching para hindi lang siya contrast na pure white. Tapos, I chose the one na leather kasi yung iba parang canvas ata. But I really wanted the leather para hindi siya super dumihin kasi the rest of the shoe is canvas na. So, I had to pick the one with the leather. This is the other pair. Ooh, so nice. I haven't worn this out yet kasi rainy season, so I don't want to, you know, get them dirty just yet. So yeah, this one is my very first off-white pair. I'm so happy. And those are all of my sneaker pickups for the first half of the year. Wow. I mean, grabe. Crazy. I mean, I'm very thankful. I'm very grateful that I get to indulge and to, you know, somewhat spoil myself with some of the sneakers or some pairs of shoes. Really thankful that these brands trust me to work with me. So I'm really grateful. And of course, all the thank yous go to you guys. Thank you so much for supporting me in any way, shape, or form. Thank you so much. I wouldn't be able to, you know, work with these brands if you don't believe in me, if you don't support me, if you don't resonate with me. So I'm really happy to have found my tribe. Thank you so much, really guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my sneaker haul with some fashion haul and some heels. Let me know which pair caught your eye or you would probably cop, or which pair is your favorite among all of the pairs that I've shown you guys. Let me know in the comments down below. And that's a wrap, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you like it. This has been Angelique, and I'll be seeing you on my next video. Bye!